So again, we have to back up to the original appointment of Eric Siebert, right? So that's 120-day as an interim U.S. attorney, and then according to 28 USC 564, if he is not confirmed by the Senate and their consent or whatever the heck you call that, my brain is not working right this second. Um, anyway, if he's not confirmed in 120 days, then the district courts may pick an interim attorney to fill his spot. So since Trump never got any of his U.S. attorneys confirmed, the district courts went in and basically just said, yeah, just stay in your role, 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 right? So Eric Siebert remained the acting and interim U.S. attorney all the way up until he left in September, which is when Lindsey Halligan was appointed in September 22nd, 2025. And that should have restarted the clock, the 120-day interim attorney clock for Lindsey Halligan. And the challenge that Comey's defense attorneys put forward is that no, it doesn't reset the clock. Only the U.S. district courts now have exclusive power to pick the U.S. attorney for that seat. So they're essentially
they changed the law.
They're wresting the power from the executive, and they're now handing it to the judicial branch and saying, yeah, too bad. You can't do anything.
Do we have the language of the, I think we need to pull this up because I actually have, oh, okay, great. So let's read through this because this is really important. This section that Nam was just talking about, this is 28 USC 546, which basically gives the president power to temporarily appoint people into positions when the Senate is sitting with their thumbs up their butt.
Not the president.
Is that right?
Not the president.
I'm sorry. The department. The attorney general. The attorney general.
It gives the attorney general. So this statute covers only vacancies. Vacancies in U.S. attorney seats. Now,
all right. So let's read this.
Sure. So in this statute, right? So it goes on and it lays out, the except provided in subsection B, the attorney general may appoint a United States attorney for the district in which the office of the United States attorney is vacant, right? So after the first 120 days of Eric Siebert, that office would have then been vacant without a confirmation. So then the district court stepped in pursuant to section D down here, which says, we're going to tie all this together. If an appointment expires under subsection C2, we'll get to that. The district court for such district may appoint a United States attorney to serve until the vacancy is filled. May. Notice that word may. These two words, shall not, and may, have very important, very specific meanings. Shall means you are required to do something. Shall not means you are prevented from doing something. The word may in legal language and in statutory language means you can. You don't have to, but you can. Okay.
It's intentionally vague. This language is intentionally vague.
Right. Well, what it does is it creates a situation where, in my opinion, either the president or the attorney general or the courts may, the district courts may, if the president or the attorney general haven't already appointed someone into that position.
That's right.
Because if it's vacant, then they may do it. So that essentially should read as a concurrent authority, meaning there are multiple people that would have that authority because the district court only has the authority to may appoint someone. It doesn't say the district court shall appoint someone. Okay.